What if I told you there's a country in South America in the middle of the jungle where JDM legends roam freely? Place where R32s, Evos, Silvias, and even rare K cars live side by side, untouched by overregulation and hidden from the global spotlight. Welcome to Suriname, a country in the middle of the rainforest surrounded by jungle. JDM, or Japanese domestic market cars, were originally designed for tight, high-tech streets of Japan, but thanks to their reliability, tunability, and their pure driving thrill, they've become icons worldwide. In most places, strict laws prohibit their import, but Suriname is different here. Right-hand drive is a normal thing, and importing JDMs from Japan, even Singapore, has been happening since the early 2000s. A little known fact is that in South America, Suriname is the only country that drives on the opposite side of the road. Now that you guys have seen a little bit about Suriname car culture, let's see what it looks like when we drive around here in a small town in the middle of the jungle. This is my rental car. Yes, we are driving a Mazda CX-5. Now, let me show you something very unique to Suriname. The steering wheel is on the wrong side, and that is because, like we talked about previously, a lot of their cars come from Japan. As you can see, this car is a little rough around the edges, and there's some dents and dings and scratches. We have a little bit of damage right here. We have a little bit of damage right here, a little bit right here, and even a nice little bump right here. Now, what I'm gonna do to ensure that I don't run into any issues while I'm here is I'm gonna install a dash cam. And that's thanks to today's sponsor, Redtiger. If you guys watched the Jack Builds It channel, you saw me install the F17 into my truck. Now, I've been using that thing every day. I haven't taken it out of my truck because I absolutely love having the ability to record what's going on around me at all times. Let's get this thing installed right now. Let's go for a quick little drive. This here is the F17, and it's one of my favorite cameras because it does have this in-cabin camera view right here, able to capture all of the detail. Now, it's very easy to install into the car. What I'm gonna do now is I'm basically gonna just set this right up here by pulling that guy right there and sticking it right here. And it's nice out of my line of sight, but also capturing everything that is going on in the car. It's fully adjustable, and it comes with all the tools necessary to install this seamlessly so I can drive around without wires dangling or dragging around on the floor. This does come with replacement tabs as well as a replacement hanger that goes on this camera here. You have two replacement tabs for that. These are sticky backed, so you basically just pull them off, stick them right back on. We have one also for the piece that goes in the back, which I'll show you guys right now. And installing this camera on the back is easy, like I said, as pulling this guy off right there, sticking it right here. There we go. Let's get some wires ran to this. Let's do a test drive. The Redtiger F17 Elite, the world's first dash cam with a full color night vision for the in-cabin view, letting you clearly see the faces and clothing in pitch black conditions. It records in a 4K front, 1080p rear, and a 2.5K in-cabin, powered by the Sony Starvis 2 sensors and HDR for crystal clear details day or night. With 5.8G, Wi-Fi 6, enjoy blazing fast 30 megabyte downloads over 10 times faster than standard Wi-Fi. The smooth touchscreen gives you instant control from angle adjustment to triple screen preview. This camera is perfect for families, road trips, or 24-hour monitoring, even while parked, thanks to its black light night vision. You might be asking yourself, how much storage does this camera have? Well, you get 128 gigabytes included, and it's expandable up to 512 gigabytes. Act now and celebrate Redtiger's anniversary starting June 15th. Visit their Amazon site or their website for deals and a chance to win a full refund. In Suriname, the car culture is grassroots. There is no billion-dollar racetracks, no big sponsorships, no national car shows, but what is here is real backyard tuners, imported engines, welded dreams, and some of the cleanest, wildest JDM builds in the Caribbean. Passed between owners, rebuilt, respected, and built to be the best that they can build them. They're not only competing with people around the world, they're competing with neighboring countries for the pride of having one of the coolest cars that you can build in a country where it is extremely hard to get parts. On any given Sunday, you might spot an R33 Skyline rolling past a Daihatsu Mira with a turbo swap. Toyota Altezas drift around the corner while Honda hatchbacks leave a symphony of VTEC echoing down the jungle roads. You will find that there is a wide variety of cars here, ranging from Celicas all the way to Cappuccinos. And they engine swap crazy engines like 2JZs into tiny K cars, all keeping the early 90s and 2000s JDM spirit alive. For example, there is R32s swapped, tuned, and owned by second generation tuners, whose fathers used to drag race Datsuns in the 80s. Or the Civic EK9 clone built in a one-car garage using parts sourced online and through the word of mouth. Every car here has a history, every dent has a history, every mod has a meaning. But it's not just the cars, it's the people. In Suriname, the car scene is a family. Whether you're tuning your Evo or just starting out with a Corolla, you're part of the car culture. Meetups feel like barbecues, borrowing tools, and trading wheels. It's JDM, but with the Caribbean warmth. As it gets harder to find cars and laws are constantly changing, places like Suriname are preserving the JDM culture and the era of those cars. The passion isn't dying, it's evolving. More young people are joining the scene. More forgotten cars are being brought back to life. But one thing is for sure, the JDM flame is still burning strong in Suriname. So the next time you think you've seen it all, remember Suriname. The jungle meets Japan, a Caribbean meets Kaido. If you guys like these kind of videos, remember to like and comment and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below of a place where you know of where there are some hidden legends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.